Today I'm going to show you how to install a wireless Bluetooth headset on your helmet. It's simple, quick, and once it's done, you'll be ready to listen to music and take calls while keeping your hands on the bars. So let's get started. See the main unit specs? We need to align them with the mounting clip slot. And then you are going to slide them into place until you hear a click. And to remove the unit, you need to press the release tab. Pretty simple, huh? Start by removing the cheek and head padding. You don't need any special tools, you just need a clean helmet and a little patience. If you're not sure where your ears sit inside the helmet, go ahead and try it on first, so you can see exactly where your ears line up. Peel off the backing of your Velcro pads and place them in position. And take your time with the Velcro pads. Once they're stuck, it's hard to move them. After you've stuck the Velcro pads inside, go ahead and place the speakers. The longer wire goes to the right side and the shorter one sits closer to the main unit. And now find the best spot to tuck in the wires from both speakers. Put the right padding back in first. We'll handle the left side later, once the remaining wires are in place. Next, the microphone. Stick it to the front inside of the chin bar. I won't be using these two. Personally, I like using the mounting clip. You have to attach the main unit on the left side of the helmet, in the spot where it fits best. Once everything is in order, put the left padding back in, and that's it. Your Bluetooth headset is installed and ready to go. And now you can enjoy your rides with music, navigation, and communication, all hands-free. If you're looking for a budget-friendly wireless headset like this one or something similar, check out the links down in the description. You'll also find some higher-end options there as well. And if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next one.